Welcome back to Melon My Cart. My name is Mikki, and today I have something that I didn't need. I just really wanted it. It's a hand-glazed porcelain 12 small well mixing tray with a cover. And it's, got a porcelain cover that you can, mix your paints on. And this would be great for when I'm just in the living room, watching a movie and I want to do a sketch or something, and boom, I would have this little set and a little mixing tray. And I did actually wash it before I opened it again, but this is what it looks like. It is so cute. And I have measured these and they fit 2.5 little of these little guys will be filled up by 1/2 pan. So let's see, so 1, 2, and that's about a half. Okay, so you'll get, so I think these are 2.5 mil. So each of these wells have got to be 1 mil each. And that's all you really need for when you're like doing a little, project in the living room. And it's not soaking it up. It's just pushing it into each other well. It's like whack-a-mole. Anyway, so I wanted to try this out. I saw this online. A really wonderful paint creator, person who does their own paints, is selling this on Instagram with her paints in it for $150, and I was like, ugh, I just want the palette. So, I went online and I found one for, which, can you believe it? It was only $13. So I don't really need this anymore. This is 1 mil. This kind of just shows you that it fits 1 mil, but that basically shows you right there. So I said, hey, are you selling those palettes by themselves? And she's like, no, but soon you'll see my sets in them and you can buy one. And I was like, okay, no thanks. I just can't afford $150. I mean, trust me, I would love to. I would love to buy that set. But if I can make my own at home with my own paints, and speaking of which, I have a dozen of these little mini Daniel Smiths that I want to fill it up with. So I think I'm going to do a little time lapse. First I got to figure out which order I want to put them in. And I'm going to do a little time lapse and fill these little teeny tiny wells up, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so now I have a little cheat card that I can use to keep in there. And this is what it's like when you close them. It doesn't sit very well seated, but it'll, if you're using it at home, it'll be easy to transport. Otherwise, I'd use something to carry it in or what have you. And you can even keep this on the outside, or you can just put it on the inside. These are still a little bit wet, so I'm not really gonna put it in there yet, but when these dry, I will just end up putting them in there. So, all right, well, thanks for joining me for unboxing this little cute thing. And yeah, pick one up. They're $12 at Amazon. And fill them up with whatever you want. And yeah, I hope you grab one. If you do, let me know how you like it. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.